I hope you understand this question and concept behind it. Let's go to the another topic heading, solve kinematics equation for objects thrown up in the air. Students, if you are going to throw something in upward direction, what will happen? This will go up and then it will come back to the down, right? If you will see, during this motion, G is acting throughout the motion downward, right? So in the first half, when it's moving A to this top point B, if I say top point B, then A to B, G is acting downward and it's slowing down. A to B, motion is slowing down, its speed is decreasing. Why? Because its velocity is in upward direction and acceleration is in downward direction. It will moving up till when its velocity becomes 0. As its velocity will become 0, this acceleration will start moving it downward. So now when it will be moving downward, G will be acting downward and it will be speeding up. So when it's going A to B, it's slowing down and at topmost point its velocity becomes 0. When it's coming B to A, its velocity started increasing from 0 to this, we can say V. If you are throwing with something velocity V, when it will reach back to the same position, its velocity again will become V. Velocity will be minus V. But if you are comparing with speed, then its speed will be the same, because you will see it's retarding for h height, then it's accelerating for h height with same acceleration. Students, if we talk about A to B motion, then at any instant, can we write V at any instant? V final will be V initial minus GT, right? And height h at any time t will be Vt minus half GT square, because G is acting downward. Students, how much time it will take to go A to top point B, then coming B to A? If we have to find out time period of this motion, calculating time period, so we can take motion A to top point B to A again. For this, can we write VI VF A delta Y and T? We are interested in finding time period. X delta Y is coming back to the same position, then what will be displacement? 0, and acceleration is minus G, right? Initial velocity we are throwing with some velocity V in upward direction. We are taking upward direction as positive, right? So which equation will be suitable to apply? Suitable equation will be delta Y equals VIT plus half A. So this is 0, V and time period T minus half G T square. Solving this, what we will get? We can take T common, then it will become like V minus GT over 2 equals 0, right? So we got either T equals 0 or we got 2V over G. That means if you are going to throw something upward, so it will take time to coming to the initial position will be 2v over g. Another question we can ask, how much height, what will be the maximum height? Students, another question can be asked, what will be this maximum height? So for this, what we can do? We can write Vi, Vf, A, delta y and t. Final velocity, it will be moving up till when its velocity, final velocity becomes 0, right? Initial is v and this is minus g, and we are interested in finding this h maximum, right? Which equation involves this 4 quantities? Delta y we can write as Vi plus Vf over 2 into, okay, this equation includes the t. No, this is not the suitable equation. So students, suitable equation can be Vf square equals Vi square plus 2a delta y. We are interested in finding delta y, that is Hm, that will be Vf square minus Vi square over 2a. So 0 square minus, what is Vi? V square over 2 into minus g. So we got V square over 2g. This will be the maximum height reached by a body when you are going to throw upward, right? Let's take a question and solve it. Deriving some formulas. A football is thrown up with a velocity. We derived the equations we are going to apply here. A football is thrown up with velocity. Calculate maximum height of the thing. Okay, students, what we did in last, we calculated maximum height. If you are going to throw an object, maximum height will be V square over 2g. We just derived, right? Second is, how long does something in the air? So it will go up and come down. How much time it will take? So time period will be 2v over g. Time period will be 2v over g. This was the time period, and this was the maximum height. This was the maximum height. And third one is with what speed with the thing strike the ground. We can calculate this, right? In the last one we can calculate. So Vf will be, no, it was for maximum. When it's going up and coming back, that's the situation of a strike. So Vf going up with some velocity v and coming back and colliding will be the Vf. We have to calculate this. So students, here Vf we can write as Vi plus At, right? Or we can also apply Vf square equals Vi square plus 2a delta y, and we have delta y 0 when it's coming back to collide. So Vf will be plus minus of Vi. When it's going to collide the ground, its velocity will be the downward. So from here you can see final velocity will be in downward direction minus Vi.